So what you'll need to get this done, and it's really simple, especially compared to the way how difficult the iMacs were, where you had to kind of take off a lot of the back of the case, and it was pretty tough. But these are simple. They did better on these. So what you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver, which I gotta go get. I got the flathead and the Phillips, and I've unplugged it. That's a critical thing you have to do. Then you'll need some tissue paper. So first thing is what I like to do is to lay it on the side with the power cord facing down, like that. So that's all set like that. And then all you gotta do is take off this one Phillips screw right here. And this bottom panel comes off. And the PRAM battery is right there. So what the tissue paper is for is you don't want, when you take that battery out, you don't want it to fall over here or down in there. So it's really hard to get it out. So just want to make sure that you have something there to block it. I just stuff some tissue paper all around in there, so that if I get kind of crazy and pop that battery out and have it fall in there, then you got to kind of pick this 50-pound computer up and kind of move it around until it finds its way back to the bottom here. But so don't do that. So we're gonna just I'm gonna stick this flathead screwdriver right on the positive side here and pop it out. There it goes. It just fell right into the tissue paper there. And your PRAM battery's out of there. So then what you got, is pretty simple. Get your new battery. And I'm gonna just put the negative side in first, and then push it back in there. Pull out your tissue paper. Put the bottom panel back on. There you go, and you're done. So that's how you do it. Real simple process. And you saw right there for doing RAM, it's pretty simple too.